Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, a Jamaican Olympian has died today. And let's get into the article. It says, trailblazing Jamaican 1948 Olympian Dr. Cynthia Thompson is dead. Dr. Thompson died on Friday at the University of the West Indies. She was 96 years old. She lived a full life. Dr. Thompson, a past student of St. Hugh's High School, shares the distinction of being one of the 4 women on Jamaica's first Olympic team in 1948. So she paved the way for other female Olympians. She qualified for the 100-meter finals and 200-meter semifinals, making her Jamaica's first female finalist in an Olympic event. She set an Olympic record in the 200-meter heats, which was broken by the eventual gold medal winner Fanny Blankers-Keon of the Netherlands. After track and field, Dr. Thompson became a pediatrician and retired in 2000. Dr. Thompson was also a member of a famed Tiger Bells Women Track Club at Tennessee State University. She was inducted into their Sports Hall of Fame. Other achievements include achieving her first international record in 1946 at the 5th Central American and Caribbean Games, where she won gold for the 100-meter and a silver in the 50-meter. So, condolence goes out to her families and friends. We have lost another trailblazer as far as Jamaican culture is concerned. Thank you for putting Jamaica in a big light and paving the way for other track and field female sprinter. You will be greatly missed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I bet y'all didn't know she was the first one to be in Jamaica's first Olympic team. Okay, it's lit. That's what I call lit right there. Okay, I'm up out of here. Deuces.